First, we're going to drill the small hole all the way through from the top. Okay. So what you'll do is you'll place your board against the stop, line up your mark with the center of your hole, turn on, and drill all the way through. Now you're ready to drill the big hole. Next, you flip over the board, so you're going to drill the big hole from the bottom. That's very important that you drill it from the bottom. Turn it on, try and line it up with that center of the smaller hole you have. Go in gently, it should automatically center itself. You're done. Once you have all of your fret locations cut, you're going to take a little dab of glue, put it on a piece of paper. You don't need much. You're then going to take your fret wire and just dip the skinny end in that glue, just to get a little bit on there. And then you're going to place it in your saw hole you drilled, and then just kind of tap it in with the hammer. If you have any excess glue, just wipe it away. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill the hole in the back of the can so the string can run through the can to our tuner. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up against the wall so that our can can't move. We're then going to bring the measuring in. And what we can do is we can either just put a little scratch on our can to mark where we want to do it, or we can actually use it as a punch and just take the hammer and tap, and what that'll do is that'll put a little bitty dent in there so our drill bit will fit into that dent and drill through where we want to drill. So let's go drill. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to take and we're going to drill right through where we put our little dent in our can. Okay. Once we've drilled through there, we're going to drill a hole on the wood just below where we drilled the hole in the can. This is where we'll put the screw to attach the string that we're going to send through the hole in the can. Okay, now that we have our hole, we will place the screw and use our 1/4-inch nut driver to screw in that screw. Again, we're doing that pre-tapping so that it'll be easier to do once we're ready to put on our string. All right, from the bottom, you'll notice that one side is skinnier than the other. The side that's skinnier is the side that gets the screw. Place it in, flip it over, and screw in this piece. You should be able to hand tighten it. Once you've hand tightened it, you'll use your 10mm socket to tighten it down tight. Once it's tightened down, flip it over. Use the 1/16-inch drill bit to pre-drill the hole for the screw. Once you have pre-drilled the hole for the screw, you'll place the screw in to the hole. Make sure that your tuner is pushed all the way down. You may have to move this over the edge of a table. And use the screwdriver to screw the screw in until it's tight. Once you've screwed it in tight, you're ready to move on to installing the string.